guys, it's day 3 of the move, and right now it's 1:38 p.m. of course, and you know, I'm dressed and stuff, and we're just doing a few things. Today is like a clean day, and I'm gonna show you guys basically in a second what's been done so far and a few other things we've picked up. So yeah, so currently have a bit of a dilemma trying to assemble this chair, and don't really know how to. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And have some sweeping going on over here, and more stuff in the pantry. Okay. And then I don't think there's anything up here. Oh no, this stuff. I think I showed you guys that yesterday. We've put these glasses up and stuff. And we have the pots and the pans taken out of the boxes, so baking stuff. Oh no, you can't. That. Nothing in here. Miscellaneous. There's water utensils. Nothing in here yet. Bowls, plates, smaller plates, bowls, cups, well, like travel cups. Nothing in here except a few spices. So, you know, I don't have anything in here. Oh, we do. Some wires. Only thing up here is this thing that my mom got her. So we got the thing to hold it up there, so I had to climb on the thing to get it up there. Got bread and the things. She does have a dishwasher. I don't know if I showed that in the tour I did at the beginning, but yeah. So yeah. We still have more stuff to put away. You guys can see, but we do have a very bright and sunny day, and I'm super excited. This looks so stupid on me, but whatever.
Come here. Wait! No, when they was trying to put his brother back.
Look, what is that? Get that away from me.
Right. Say, who ain't gonna never sit in there? I'm in there.
Can you let the thing down?
Who ain't gonna put a bottle of wine on the rack? Hold on. Oh, yeah.
I told you when you sit on. Miss April ma'am didn't believe me. Right. I knew I was right. Look at her.
Now she over there panicking, about to get an attitude. No, I ain't never put nothing together.
And you got it together, and I couldn't.
Teamwork makes the dream come true.
Yes,
I did it for my daughter.
Okay, do the other one.
So parents
You the other one.
just go in the danger zone for their kids.
Yep.
So guys, we just came back from Target. We have a bunch of bags, and we have a kitchen to decorate. So guys, I'm gonna attempt something I've never done before. I'm gonna attempt the Khloe Kardashian, I think, the Oreo thing she does for her pantry. I'm gonna insert it here. So yeah, I'm gonna try this with lemon Oreos, and then this is the container we have. So yeah, see how it goes. This is how they came out. I think it came out okay, but no Khloe Kardashian. Womp, womp, womp. Bunch of cookies left. You know, these are all smashed up. Do not get these lemon cookies because as soon as you get them, they're like all smashed up. So.
Let's put them in a Ziploc bag.
Okay, how do they taste, Mom? Because I bet they're nasty.
Oh my goodness. They're so good. Only thing's missing is a glass of cold milk. Seriously, so good.
So fake. Anywho.
What is sauce, sister?
Going here.
Do
I think it looks pretty good.
Oh, it's just for this.
And you better, my mom better eat all these cookies, all these nasty lemon cookies.
I was working, sister. the kitchen.
Literally all this trash just from moving in. Like an hour later, and it's dinner time. We got some pizza and I have a salad here. I'm watching Nailed It. Guys, tell me down below some good Netflix shows for me to watch, because we won't be able to leave the house and we won't be doing anything. So yeah, so tell me down below.